Welcome to ALM Octane Learning Switch. This is Jairam. Today I'm going to walk you through how we work with my work area, how to set a task or assign a task which which is visible in your my work area, and how to update your comments, how to track activities and all. So let's begin with first of all log into the tool. Let me log in over here and then go on a backlog. So there is a way to do it. Either you have a backlog item to track, or you have a team backlog item to track. So basically, if you wanted to track it, this is the my work area where actually currently it's empty because I'm setting these many tasks. So I'll tell you to how to add those tasks over here, how to track it out, and you can find the my work link here, this one. So quickly, if you are in anywhere whether in a team backlog or backlog anywhere, you can directly jump to the my work area. And then if you so let me show you quickly how to set those things. So for example, let me first go on any of the task item. So for example, I selected this one. Let me go inside, see the task on it, and this is the task I wanted to monitor it. So what I'll do, I'll click this on task, and then there is a menu, there is a link over here, add to my query. The moment you add this, then this task one will be added in your task area for monitoring purpose. So I have added this one. If you see, added my work area successfully. Now if you go on a my work area, click over here, and then if you notice that the moment I added a task, that this icon basically got on a little circle over here, colored circle, which shows that new message for you. And then this area, when actually you go to my work area, you will see that this is a newly item. So if this item is not read by you, it will see a small bar over here. It say that recently added and you have not uh, read it. So in my work area, you have a my work notification and comment. So I'll walk you through how to set the notification and then comment. First, let me know set this to the my work area. So you are able to see. So moment you log in, you go on a my work area and you will see all the tasks which you monitor over here listed over here. It will give you an error. The moment you click on this ID, you will be able to directly jump on this task details to see every fields over here. Even though in a task area, when you will be having in the right side, when you click on the right side panel, you will be able to see that like couple of sections. Like if you want to unfollow, then then this task will be removed from this list. If you want to change a page, then you just go and then change the page. Then task will be the change will the task page will be reflected everywhere. If you want to write any description, you can write it in description. If you write a comment, for example, I have assigned this task to somebody else's, or the developer, or the SIT owner, and then to give you some instruction over there, then write in a comment. And the moment if you write in a comment, that is visible for the developer or the owner, whichever comment you want to update. Similarly, let me go and show you how to set this notification in comment. Let me go there. Since we are only following over here, so I need to go on a new task because it should be a new task. So go on a backlog item here, select any of these items and go on a task. Let me add new task so that I can monitor it. So task, and I said demo, and I clicked add. Nothing else. If you see the demo task has been added. Now if you click this task, I we wanted to set a follow. So click this task and then you can add on my area. This task has been added on my area. Also you can follow that. So moment you click on a follow, this icon will get changed and it will show you following, means you are following right now. Now what you are following these things. Basically by default you will get a email notification if anybody do the changes. You will get a notification in my work area as well. I am already shown you. and these are the parameter which is not set yet. These are the disabled. So basically what we are saying that, if somebody is changing the attribute you want to notification, then enable this one. The moment you enable that any attribute of this forms basically, changed by anybody, then you will get a notification. Same if somebody wants to add a comment, if they will add any comment, then you will get a notification on that. Phase changes, if somebody changes the phases and then you enable this, then you will get a phase change notification as well. So I did the changes, except new attachment, and then save it. Now what I'm going to do it, I'll change some of those fields. Let's say estimated hours, I'm going to give like 8 hours, and then also I'm going to change the phases and new. So I'm going to move to in progress, and then I'll save it. Now let's go to the my work area and see what happened. If you see that here, this red circle, small circle appearing over here, it means new item are added. So this is the task we have added over here. If you click on this somewhere, not on a link, click somewhere else, and then you will be able to see the details. Now if you refresh that, this button, then you will get all this notification and comment which appears over here. See, so notification I'm not getting right now because somebody had not changed it. We have set this following. If somebody do the changes, then you will get a notification. If somebody add a comment for you, then you will get a comment over here. So this is a very important area where you can set all the tasks which you want to monitor, then all these tasks will be visible here. Now I wanted to just dismiss this task. I don't want to monitor anymore, so go on this task. Here is a button dismiss, click on the dismiss and it will disappear from here. So let me click another one and dismiss here. So whichever task which you are not able, wanted to monitor, then you go ahead and dismiss this. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.